A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, I've been thinking about you. You, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still?
We are on our lunch break right now. We're both working from home today, and we decided to go on a little stroll because the weather's amazing. Actually feels like spring right now. But we're just gonna have lunch at Madison Square Park. Got our little lunch box and enjoy the weather.
Made by yours truly.
I wanted to share with you guys these pajamas that I've been absolutely loving. This was sent to me by NEIWAI, which I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with. And I literally have so many of their best-selling Barely Zero bras that I wear on the daily. I have some in the spaghetti strap version, and I also have the thicker strap, and both are super comfortable. Today I wanted to introduce their new sleepwear in this really pretty lilac color. The top is a relaxed oversized fit, and it's also collarless, which adds to the comfort. And the bottoms are a cocoon shape, and they're actually the perfect length for me. I also got a couple more of my favorite mid-waist brief panties, and these are like the most comfortable underwear I've ever owned. The fabric is just so buttery, and the best part is that the laser cut edges don't roll up when I'm wearing it. It's kind of like my pet peeve, so it gives a true no-show finish under clothes. This paired with my Barely Zero bras are just my go-to, and if you guys haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend you do because you're not going to want to wear anything else besides these. I bought some of these before with my own money, and I actually gifted it to some of my girlfriends and they all love it. So I'll leave all the links in the description for you guys to check out, and now I'm gonna head to bed in my very comfortable pajamas. Good morning! We are in the East Village right now. Just came back from church and we're on our way to Union Square. We actually have to run some errands, do a little Sephora run, go to Dwayne Reed. And I wanted to go to Bread's Bakery because they have the best vodka. I already said that in a previous vlog, but because we're gonna be nearby, definitely want to grab a loaf of babka.
It sounds like vodka.
Babka,
Vodka.
not vodka. So that's the plan today.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. put a dress on today. I don't care what you say. And I'm ignoring my phone, so don't reply.
To grab dinner at Decor. It's one of the best Korean restaurants in New York City. But of course there's a wait right now. I thought there wouldn't be a wait because we came at an off time. But still want it. So we are waiting. So I got home from work and we just had dinner, and now I'm about to make some chocolate chip cookies. I'm having a little potluck in the office tomorrow, and I said I was gonna bring chocolate chip cookies from scratch. I think I'm gonna have to chill the dough overnight because it just tastes better when the dough is like very cold. And I'll probably bake it tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna have to wake up early for that. I'm kind of excited to bake though because I haven't baked since our last apartment, and I also haven't used my KitchenAid mixer since then, so I'm pretty excited.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring it's like on Jupiter and Mars. Another word on my head. Another word, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Another words, please be true. Another words, I love you.
Tomorrow we bake.
Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Another words, please be true. Another words,